Hey guys, got a 2011 plate Ford Focus here. Just going to show you how to reset the tyre pressure warning light on this one. So if you do find the video useful, please give it a like, and if you want to see some more helpful content like this, subscribe to the channel. Right, so on this one, we're going to use the screen behind the steering wheel on the dash, and then the buttons on the right hand side of the steering wheel. So from here, we're going to press left until we get to this menu. And then we're going to scroll down until we get to information, and then press OK. And it says deflat detect, OK to store tyre pressure. So first, make sure your tyres are pumped up to the correct pressures, and then you want to press OK. Hold it down for a few seconds. And then tyre pressure stored, and that's it.